Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Company of Heroes disconnected. You are currently either offline or not yet signed in, and please reconnect to sign in to your game and this error code. I will show you guys the different solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video to fix this problem completely. First, go to the Windows search and type here the Windows update and just open it. Some players are saying by updating the Windows has fixed their problem. So you just need to update your Windows to fix this problem. So first open up the Windows update, and if you will see here any kind of available update for your Windows, then just update it. And then you have to restart your PC and then launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. If not, then go to the Windows search and just type here the device manager, and device manager will appear on the top. So just open it, and here you will see the display adapter. Simply open it and update your graphic card. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then just open up the NVIDIA software and update your NVIDIA graphic card. And if you have the AMD graphic card, then just open up the AMD software and just update your AMD graphic card. Then just restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then open up the Steam, click on the Steam on the top, then just click on the settings and then go to the downloads settings you are seeing here, and then just click on the clear cache, then just click on the confirm. Then you have to open up the Steam again and log into your account and see your problem is fixed or not. And if not, then just open up the Steam again, go to the setting, go to the story, then click on the three dot, then just click on the repair library. You can do these two steps at the same time. Then you have to open up the Steam again, launch your game and then check. If your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows search and type it the ncp.cpl, and this control panel setting will appear on the top, so just open it. And here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, so right click on your connection and go to its properties. Now here you will see the Internet Protocol version 4, just highlight this and go to its properties. Now click on the use the following DNS addresses, and in the preferred DNS type the 8888, and in the alternate type the 8844. And guys, this is the best Google DNS server. Then just click on the OK, then just close it and then just launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. If not, then go to the Windows setup with the CMD and run as administrator, and just type here the ipconfig and space / and then flush DNS. Once you type it, just hit the enter, and this command will flush all your DNS resolver cache. Then just type the netsh space winsock and space reset. And once you type it, just hit the enter. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply these changes. Then you just need to open up the Steam and just launch your game, and hope this will fix your problem. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you just need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN, and after that see. And I hope this will fix your problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.